So, for years, iPhone users have used enterprise certificates to install apps not available on Apple's App Store. Now, it seems Huawei's HarmonyOS Next is adopting a similar approach. In a recent developer update, Huawei introduced a new method for sideloading apps on its OS. This process requires developers to compile and package their apps using certificates and profiles issued by their organization. The final package and a description file are then uploaded to a server or cloud storage, allowing users to download and install the app directly. These sideloaded apps are designed for specific user groups, such as internal enterprise tools or specialized programs, rather than a general consumer audience. According to Huawei, this feature is intended for HarmonyOS applications that are not suitable or do not want to be publicly released on Huawei App Market. Developers also have the option to use Huawei's App Gallery Connect for small-scale distribution through designated channels. While this method offers developers more freedom, it comes with certain limitations. Currently, the internal application release method supports only HarmonyOS apps built using the stage model, and features like meta services are not yet compatible. Huawei's move is not entirely surprising, as sideloading provides significant flexibility for developers wishing to bypass app market approval for specific use cases. However, this method also raises security concerns. Unlike the curated offerings of the app market, sideloaded apps lack official oversight, increasing the risk of malware or compromised software. This approach by Huawei mirrors a long-standing practice in the Apple ecosystem, but it comes with its own set of challenges and advantages. On one hand, it empowers developers to distribute apps more freely and tailor them for specific organizational needs. On the other hand, it necessitates careful management to mitigate potential security risks associated with sideloading. As Huawei continues to develop HarmonyOS Next, it will be important for both developers and users to remain vigilant about the security implications of sideloaded applications. In summary, Huawei's introduction of a new sideloading method in HarmonyOS Next marks a significant step towards offering developers more flexibility. By allowing apps to be packaged and distributed with internal certificates and profiles, Huawei is providing a valuable tool for developers targeting specific user groups. However, this increased freedom comes with the potential for increased security risks, as sideloaded apps lack the official oversight of the app market. It remains to be seen how Huawei will address these concerns as HarmonyOS Next evolves. Developers and users alike will need to stay alert to ensure that the benefits of this new approach are not overshadowed by its potential drawbacks. So, what do you guys think about the HarmonyOS Next? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.